essential combination for quality assurance. Together, our SPC and 3D visualization deliver meaningful, actionable, and timely feedback to the shop floor, which can eliminate bottlenecks and reduce waste. Quality Assurance Essentials, or QAE, is developed for small and medium-sized companies beginning their quality assurance journey. It seamlessly integrates with PCDMIS Metrology software. QAE is an easy-to-use, entry-level quality analysis solution that promises best features for sample analysis, process capability, measurement capability, and reporting. This tool enables you to conduct measurement systems analysis, MSA, Type 1, Type 2, Type 3. Store data, run sample analyses, create analysis reports, monitor and query data, perform capability analysis according to DIN ISO 225142. The integrated EMA 3D quality data management system completes your QA capability. The advanced 3D view allows in-depth error analysis, real-time monitoring, and the generation of on-the-fly and customizable PDF reports, all directly on your CAD geometry. Identify problems where they appear and communicate them to your team. Experience a multitude of advantages with QAE that include reduced quality costs, reliable statistics, standards compliance, seamless migration from Data Page Plus, and easy upgradation. QAE is data-agnostic and easy to use with simplified access, flattening the learning curve of the users. It is cost-effective as you save on IT resources and expenses owing to client installations. It is scalable. Hence, it is suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small enterprises to large corporations. With QAE, you can perform process capability, analyze and trace the potential cause, and monitor your quality results in real time using CAD model. You can also create customized 3D reports for customers and colleagues, execute 3D analysis on optical data, perform gauge R&R, and replace Data Page Plus. With Quality Assurance Essentials, statistics have never been so easy.